Validating Saml signature in Python. I need to implement authentication in Python from a third party by using Saml 2. I have looked into PySaml 2 and found that to be quite confusing, and decided to give M2 Crypto a chance after I found this question by Enel. The Saml token I receive can be found here. I have already extracted all the information I need from the assertion tag, the user's SSN, IP, and the Saml token's expiration window, but I can't get the verify_signature function from Enel and the revised code from Ezra Nugroho to return true. I have also tried to change verify_EVP at reset_context md equals SHA1 to verify_EVP.reset_context md equals SHA256, but that didn't work either. I think my mistake must be in the signed_info part. What do I pass to verify_signature for that part? Do I have to pre-process it in any way? I have been looking into the transform tag but don't know where to look next. Any help will be greatly appreciated. If someone needs the XML before the obfuscation to test and help me, just PM me. Edit, this is my code, very similar to the things I linked to. The main function is at the bottom. Update. Is it possible I need some more information from the third-party authentication provider? Do I need a private key for any of this?
You need to canonicalize the signed info before validating the signature. That's what the transformation tag implies. Basically, since the same XML can be formatted differently, one needs to validate an XML signature in a canonical format.
I faced the same problem, and had to develop a module for it. This URL. I chose to rely only on PyCrypto and PyOpenCell, since M2 Crypto is less popular and not well maintained, which is a hazard from both compatibility, PGPYPY, and security perspectives. I also use LXML for the canonicalization, C14N. From the SignXML docs.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.